is the Sports Lounge with me, Mluster, the General, the Eerste General, the number one general of sports. Angidlali mina, ngidlala Arkeli. Peteno Siamo is so Arkeli, negama lakhe uzongitshela igama lakhe. Siamo grand ntwana. Udlala ibhola wena mfethu. Udlala diski. Le ngathi ngadlala basketball le. Udlala diski. Ngazongishashaya. Udlala diski fa.
Khona yeka.
Like akhiso.
Ayeka khiso. Dala manje kazi like isitiki khona.
Phuma pha.
Noma
Shala yeka akhiso wena shala pha. Ka 14 station nje.
komezitha.
Oh Zulu Jam. Hayi kufanele Zulu Jam.
Abasho saba. Ngathanda unyatha abantu.
No, phela it's an elevation.
Abajwayela.
Akubajwayelanga ukuthi awuthethe
Ufuna abanya.
No, awuthethe. Ah, wakumele bakunya. Bakumele bakunya.
Uzobaprove lo.
Bona ubani?
Wandi.
So Wanza no Tsiap. Nedlalala which team Jets? Manyora.
Manyor ile ya.
Oh, let's okay black and white.
Sure.
Oh, ibizwa Manyora.
Manyora is
Pink, I don't know, red and white.
Oh, that one. Oh,
dala le.
Oh, so nina wani ngadlala. Oh, so nama Grootman akho. Oh, nama Grootman is supporting one. Okay, sure. So no, support which team?
International.
No. We league.
Yes sir.
Yeah, with PSL. Yeah. Kaizer Chiefs. About the Kaizer Chiefs. I think Kaizer Chiefs. Why not?
Support faith. By
Why are you back? Oh, you back second chance. What's all that?
Ni vet fair, I want vet.
Ngoba uphume vete.
Ne, uthi yena ni
Oyilandele. So boy that's fair. So Pirates na mfetho idlala we CAF.
Yeah.
Ne? And it's doing very well. Ne? What are the chances the Pirates to reach the finals?
Stages,
Yeah. Not just knockout stages, the final.
Ngithanda the way Kusha enza khona izinto in terms of create ama player ngoba if uzo-exhaust ama players that is one.
Yeah.
It's going to injure.
Yeah.
And so by injury, squad siya change. Vele wenze njengo Pep Guardiola ubona lami injury yaphemaza. It's biting in. So ngithanda lento yaka Joseph ngoba squad siya
Yeah.
he can utilize a lot of players in a lot of positions. So ngithanda yiyo lento zosiza ukuthi
But manje thinking here comes January win and manje there are probably 3-4 players with Pirates and these are prominent players, very prominent players, and they are about to be bought.
Yeah.
Don't you think it's going to shake the ship a little bit?
My opinion, Coach Joseph, if the contract years are entry for a player, release, are your progress? This is on bigger stages, which is European football, the top notch football. I hope Kuti will really get a European contract. Aha, my contract about 9 months so I'm shashai, then you're thinking of like
Yeah.
I'm a player, you need to keep more players. So I think you're tricky that one.
Yeah.
But into angayenza ne.
Yeah.
Uthola ama player as early as possible ngoba obviously abazohamba.
So I think Velo we have
bayalungisa ne. So do you think Policy is a right player for Pirates? Perfect. Coach yakita imfuni ku Chiefs, akamfuna le Chiefs. No, good. Yabona bathini, it depends who's coaching. Yabona ukuthi dalaiti, bona dalaiti uvele kanjani ngoba coach u Riviere. Yeah. Talent. Yeah. yabona ukuthi nje mabanga coach awona imani lento analysis engaba more. Yeah. And McCarthy made a statement, anti Urile he's not suitable to play for Barcelona yet. Do you think he's right or wrong?
In terms of, I'll say he's right. That's why. First of all, Kazum experience. We need it.
Yeah.
I understand. His opinion, in a way. I mean, we win a Champions League.
Yeah.
You understand. So your opinion, like in a way, I support it because of. Untuan. PSL is like, my compare Barcelona, La Liga and PSL.
Yeah.
It can't be quiet. In terms of long game. So I suggest maybe passing by Imloni so someone.
Yeah.
Then same situation.
I'm no nego.
Yeah.
You understand?
I'm not nego.
Same league. Mare, it's him. This team is. I told a lot of experience.
Yeah, but it's the same Lamine into ana njengo relay. Why ungathathi urelay umbeke noma Lamine yena no Lamine babe sethimini one at least naye ava yena so
you know what Spain. You have not developed the Spain. Developed in School of Excellence.
Oh, so unyazi development yethu.
It's there.
No, I'm just asking. No, I'm just asking. Unyanza wena so unyanzi.
Aninya.
Yeah.
That development is like one of the best in the world.
Yeah.
Best in the world. You're going to compare it as
No, I'm just getting your opinion.
That's my opinion.
Oh, that's your opinion. So you feel now McCarthy is not right.
Yet. Yeah.
He's not ready yet. But they are able to take Intuana. I just want to show you something. Intuana, he has a Cameroon. If I, you Talela, do you think Intuana as a Cameroon is better than Relay? You see, that statement doesn't It's a wrong statement. Intuana, same Intuana, that is lesser than it here said.
Who's that boy?
No, he's a new boy. What's this name? I'll get the name. I just forgot the name. And he's 70.
I think
He's 70. Relay is 20.
depends on the position.
Yeah.
Maybe it's the physique.
No, it's not even the physique. Same physique, yaga relay. Yeah, I understand. Same physique. Well, he's 17. It's not like same physique. So you say what I say. I don't agree with this statement. Because they still take the same boy. Or here Africa. We with Barcelona. So what? Different from Barcelona. And the good thing Relay was getting experience. The highest
Squad.
the squad, the food, it counts.
Now I hear you.
You understand? And he's consistent. He's always playing. You understand?
Even when the team is down.
He knows how to pick up the game. They told her that thing. Now I was just showing you. Let's not look at only no illicit. And then I got illicit. When I'm gonna sharp boy. Hey, Tara, one of your favorite Nikos
Yeah.
outside the
Kada.
Barcelona. Do you see yourself playing for Barcelona? Honestly, no. Then I'm answering it now. We're ringing now. I want the confidence of going to Barcelona. You're not. You don't see yourself playing for Barcelona. You don't at all. You don't see yourself playing overseas. Which team do you see yourself playing overseas? So for no Man City.
Premier League, that's what I want.
Oh, ungadlalela nebandli.
Yeah, it's a Premier League.
Eh? Oh yeah, uyodlalela ebandli.
Then Aston Villa, I'm Crystal Palace.
I'm Crystal Palace.
One more.
I think you would make it for Premier League.
Ma wena.
Really.
Oh, really?
No, Spanish.
Listen, mamela, lalela. Uyimisa ku Premier League. Why ngambeki ko La Liga? La Liga is the creme de la creme.
Best is
Premier League is not the best. When was the last time a winner? Man City could we win?
Premier League is the best because everyone is competing. Oh,
you are now.
Barca, Atletico, Real Madrid, this one, and then
Yeah.
the rest is just like
you
know what to expect.
Also, Elena,
Premier League.
PSL, La Liga PSL.
Aston Villa.
Only 3 teams at the phone.
Aston Villa shall be a Man City.
Yeah.
So
So in Premier League, the Premier League is a shaya. Mashaya. Yeah.
Liverpool ya draw no number last.
Yeah.
Kanjalo. Rishawe 1-0 number last. Nobe ngunumber 1. It's unpredictable.
You're definitely.
Yeah.
It's unpredictable. It's a risk zothi ufuna udlala iBetway Premier League. Uzoshaywa
So Bundes favor
Bundesliga. Dortmund. Yeah,
Dortmund. Hey, you see? Dortmund, wena
Bayern Munich.
Bayern Munich. Because of the coach who
Combine.
Company. Do you think company is correct by wanting to learn? Batho ba lentora ku Sundowns. Mutau. Eh.
Yes.
Do you think this is correct?
He's the best right back. Yeah.
Because he's been looking at him since he was in the Premier League. I'm begging.
Bezala eBenjini le. Did he play PSL? Ubani wedlala eBenjini like
Company.
Leon Forster.
Forster.
Leon Forster. Uye mi wasa Africa, South Africa.
Bayodlala kwi
Again,
Yeah, I'm a good player.
So you think he can fit the Bundesliga?
Bundesliga.
perfect.
He's perfect.
Timon, you're competent over. Uno Kimmich, Uno Davies.
So one you dlisa bani scheme.
World class.
You dlisa bani scheme.
Also, actually like wedlala maybe lama game away. Ama third maybe some. Ama League Cup. Ama League Cup.
Amancane nyana la.
League Cup.
Ngeke ngisho ukuthi umuntu uyodlala ischeme. Uzohlala ebenchini. That's what you are saying.
Obviously, I don't want to level again.
You have to prove yourself.
Ne mara yabona mawufuna icoach. Uzoba nescheme ngoba ufuna icoach. Icoach already ne planning ngawe. Unlike mawubawa i-team. Unlike mawubawa i-team ikufake esquadini. Then icoach uyokubeka ebenchini ngoba awukho plan ne coach. But mawufuna icoach. The coach already in a planning now because of already he has seen your play, so he already knows how you play.
But in that case, if you're saying that wanna launch no shaggy bench,
And then who really do you know what to phone over? For the coach. That's why they are looking at him. That's why they are looking at him.
It's a different ballgame.
Okay.
That's why they are looking at him because of what? Anzani? Funwa coach. Yayibona daddy. So what in coach? Begane daima. So my gents, all is well, Bafetu. Thank you very much for coming through. Nibona ipagane nitini iya ma finally.
Yeah, let's talk PSL.
Let's talk PSL. Let's talk on the cave.
Yeah.
I know. All the best. Sundowns.
Everything comes to an end.
Thank you, Buffett. Show my gents. This is the Sports Lounge with me, Mr. the General, the General, #1 podcast. Sport.